it's Gina with WTI, and it's summertime, which means that I want to be wearing cute and comfortable shorts all the time. When I saw this pair of high-waisted shorts from AUWUKA, I knew that I had to give them a try, and I absolutely love how adorable they are. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I have a pear-shaped body type, which means I have a little junk in my trunk and a bit of thunder thighs. And I would say that these are on the snug side. I got the size 6. So if you're looking for something a little bit on the looser size, you might want to size up. But I personally think that these fit the way that they're supposed to and are true to size. They have a little bit of give to them, but are not super stretchy. I just love the fit on them. They come above my belly button, and there's a 4.5-inch inseam, although these are cut off. So as you continue to wash them, you're gonna get more fray, more strings that come off the bottom, so they may shorten with time. These are definitely my go-to shorts for the summer. I love them, and I think you're gonna love them too, and that's my point of view.